Graduating on top of the class is what almost every student dreams of when they gained admission newly into the university or college. Though, most people abandon that dream once they see their first semester first-year results. But those who actually made it to first class, are they superhumans? Today, I will be sharing with you 10 fascinating things you probably did not know about first-class students. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you wouldn't miss other interesting videos like this. 1. They don't study all the time. Contrary to popular belief, first-class students don't spend every waking hour studying. They focus on effective learning, prioritizing quality over quantity. 2. They have a study system. First-class students are highly organized. They use planners, digital tools, and even flashcards to break down their workload into manageable chunks. 3. They ask a lot of questions. These students are not afraid to ask questions. They seek clarity and dig deeper into topics, even if it means staying back after class or sending emails to their professors. 4. They manage their time effectively. Time management is their superpower. They plan their day meticulously and prioritize tasks, making sure to also carve out time for relaxation and hobbies. 5. They learn from failure. Yes, even first-class students fail. What sets them apart is their ability to bounce back. They see setbacks as an opportunity to grow and improve. 6. They collaborate a lot. Being a first-class student isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about perseverance, discipline, and a willingness to learn from peers and other smart people around. 7. They're resourceful. First-class students make the most of available resources, from online courses to library archives. They know where to find the help they need. 8. They take care of their health. Healthy body is equal to healthy mind. They understand that good nutrition, regular exercise, and proper sleep play a huge role in academic success. 9. They network strategically. Building relationships with professors, industry professionals, and fellow students is key. Networking opens doors to opportunities and mentorships. 10. They have a growth mindset. Finally, first-class students believe in continuous improvement. They embrace challenges and strive to be better versions of themselves every day. There you have it. 10 things you don't know about first-class students. Which point surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos like this. Thank you.